beekeepers, Jenna and Brandon here from Mann Lake. We are here today to bring you the May edition of the Beekeepers Buzz for the North. So you can't really tell based on the fact that it looks pretty hot and dry here right now, but it is early May and our weather's been quite a bit warmer than normal. But we are here today to get our apiary going and install our packages. So we're just going to kind of take you through that process. I'm going to give you a few tips just to hopefully help you out if you haven't gotten your bees yet. If you haven't, you are running out of time. So I would suggest if you want to get started in beekeeping that you start looking now. Try to find a beekeeper in your area maybe that has a nuke available, because package season usually ends in early May. So for those of you that have gotten packages from us in the past, this is a bee bus. And it's a pretty common question of how do you get them apart when they are interlocked together? And it's actually very simple. So they slide together and all you do is give them a knock on each side and they will slide apart. Okay? All right, so Brandon is here to help me. We're gonna install 2 hives. You'll notice I'm not wearing gloves. Installing packages is one of the few times where I feel comfortable enough to go in the hive and not wear gloves. They're pretty docile at this point. So we're just gonna go through the process and I'll just kind of walk you through what we're doing as we're doing it. So we'll grab our package. We've removed a few frames from the inside here, and that's where we're gonna dump our bees. So what I like to do is I just give it a little bit of a knock to knock the bees down to the bottom. And then I'm gonna remove my syrup can. And at the top here, there's a metal tab, and that's where our queen is. So the first step is to get your queen out and check her. And I usually just put the can back in, or you can leave it open. It's not a big deal. So we're just gonna look to make sure that our queen is in fact still alive. You can see she's moving around. There's a few worker bees on the outside of the cage, and like I said, very docile. I mean, they're crawling on my hand. Not a big deal at all. But certainly if you're new to beekeeping and you're not comfortable, wear your full suit, wear your gloves. There's nothing wrong with being fully protected. All right, so from here, I will generally just take the queen and put her in my pocket. Okay. And then we're just going to take our bees from the packages and gently dump them into the open space. You just kind of shake it back and forth. And you don't have to get all of the bees out. Try to get as many as you can. And then I will generally just take this package, leave it right in front of the entrance. And as the day goes on, they're going to move into the hive. So from here, we're just going to gently replace the frames. We do have some drawn comb on these frames. So once our queen is out, she should be able to start laying right away. All right. Because it is early in the month, especially where we're at, the dandelions are just starting to come out. There's really not a lot of forage available, so strongly recommend that you provide a pollen substitute as well as sugar syrup for your bees. So we are going to put on the Ultra Bee patties. Ultra patty for you. Ultra patty for me. And then from here, we're going to install our queen. I always like to put the patty on before I do that because I generally tend to forget that and then have to open the hive back up. So I do have a little bit of marshmallow in my pocket. Give you a piece there. So I'm going to take your queen. It's really important to remember she can and will fly away. So it's really important to just be slow and deliberate with this process. So I'm just going to remove this cork with my hive tool. and I wait until she is moving away and then cover it with my finger. Brandon, here's the hive tool, you can do the same. And then same thing, wait until she's away and then fill that with marshmallow. That way, when I put her inside of the hive, the bees can just eat through that marshmallow and slow release her, and I don't have to worry about her flying away. And this really is the point, the reason that why I don't like to wear gloves when I'm installing packages. It's the queen installation part.
Of course, it's in there just far enough.
Yeah. So if you guys missed that, our queen did just fly away. Now, if this happens to you, Mann Lake does sell queens, so you can give us a call. We'll get you a replacement queen. It's really important, if you get your package of bees and your queen is dead, or if she happens to escape during the install process, put that cage in there. Her pheromones are still in that cage. So we're gonna go ahead, get our queen suspended in here. All right, so I just suspend her, make sure the screen is facing out and the cork is down to where the bees can access that, chew through the marshmallow, and then release her. All right, then from there, we're gonna put on one of our top feeders and fill this with a little bit of Pro Health and some Pro Sweet. So when I buy the Pro Sweet, it's kind of hard to mix in the Pro Health, so I'll just take a little bit and put it in my top feeder. And then as I'm dumping in the syrup, it'll mix it up. All right, like I was saying, there's not a lot blooming right now. And another thing to really consider if you are in an area where there's a lot of bloom is it's spring. It rains a lot. So it's gonna be really critical to make sure that your bees have feed so they can build up in time for the nectar flow. So just offering this on a rainy day, if they've got that available, they'll continue to work in the hive and use that syrup to draw comb. So it's never a bad idea to feed your bees. If it gets to a point where there's plenty of pollen and nectar out there and available, they'll stop consuming the feed. All right, so got that syrup full. Now, another tip here is we have a notched inner cover. Do not use a notched inner cover with your top feeder. This notch here provides an entrance. So in this case, we're gonna just leave this out and put just the telescoping cover on our hive. All right. And that's it. Like I said, the packages especially are very gentle, very easy to do on the install process. So if you haven't gotten your bees already, definitely get on it for this season. There's still a lot of beekeepers out there that are gonna have nukes available. Mann Lake still has some too. And then lastly, if you are in a northern climate where there are black bears, make sure you have your electric fence up to protect your hives. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more. We're setting up several hives here today, so we're hoping to get out in the bee yard quite a bit this summer, and we'll see you soon.